How to make money on Amazon in 2021, 15 top methods. If you are worried that you have missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart and Etsy can make money selling product online easy in my experience. The best way to make money the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce in 2021. Amazon in 2020 Amazon ranked 3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. But what can you do to get a piece of the Amazon pie? There are tons of great ways to earn cash on Amazon. So to help you to find what method might work best for you. This article dives into the top ways to make money on Amazon. Let's get to it. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2021 is still through private label selling sales using Amazon fulfillment by Amazon or FBA network. Around 71% all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre-existing item, preferably with market with product improvement, putting your branding and logos on it, it's selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to white labeling on brand creation. The process has been around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target, Macy's brand and Walmart Great Value are two examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your product typically in 2 days or fewer. What you likely know as Amazon Prime. This is how e-commerce business owner like you and me can list good and Amazon on Amazon and make money from these sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to a number of advantages. First, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout to all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon. To estimate the sales your product will make once it's on Amazon text, it's easy to source and manufacture your product with the help of platforms like Alibaba or Jungle Scouts supplier database. Finally, after you have created your product, you can sell it on Amazon using FBA. You don't even to ship your own orders. How much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Over half, 56% of private label sellers earn 5,000 or more in monthly sales, and nearly two-thirds, 59%, have profit margins. Over 16% among private label sellers who have more than a year of selling experience. 31 have earned over 50,000 in lifetime profits. Where can I learn more about selling private label methods? If you want to learn more about how to make money on Amazon with private label products, Jungle Scout offers a free course to help you to get started. How to sell on Amazon or FBA beginners. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP allows to publish your own books on Amazon, and this is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon, but that's probably because I'm a professional writer. And again, in addition to digital format, you can print actual copies of your books too. Amazon creates space prints on demand. The only catch with this option is that you usually need to write somewhat prolifically in order to find success. Though it is possible to publish one or two wildly popular books, volume is the true name of the publishing game. The more you write, the more you make. How much money can I make from the KDP? I have heard that some authors make as much as 40,000 per month. These letters, however, tend to be prolific and write topically to gain notice. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor do you have to worry about inventory. How can I learn more about Amazon with KDP. While I don't know of any specific course I trust for teaching this particular method, I do trust Tim Ferriss. And coincidentally, the serial entrepreneur wrote an interesting article on how to become a Kindle millionaire.